A wood lathe is a wood turning machine that is used to smooth and sharpen the wood. This tool turns the wood and shapes it in a way that a handheld device like a sandpaper or even a grinder lacks. In a way, a wood lathe can give you more control over your wooden project and helps you shape it the way you saw it to be. Indeed, a best wood lathe can offer you with lots of options of carving wood into a balance. A lathe spins the workpiece to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, or deformation, with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object which has symmetry about an axis of rotation. Lathes perform machining operation known as turning. While turning, the material is removed from a workpiece by rotating it against a tool. There are several useful projects you can do on a wood lathe. You can make these projects for fun, for sale, for gift, or for just experimentation, or for whatever reason you might come up with. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you beautiful wood turning and carving project ideas for your inspiration. You can use these ideas to try to make your own pieces at home. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these ideas into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and just smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Wood carving is both a craft and a form of art, one that has persisted since the dawn of mankind, and one that still sees a lot of use today. Indeed, it is still very widely practiced today by hobbyists and professionals alike. Indeed, wood is a wonderful and surprisingly easy material to shape. It is neither as hard nor as heavy as a rock, and it does not need the constant hammering into shape needed for sculpting metals such as bronze and iron. One of the biggest appeals of wood carving, however, may be the fact that one only needs a simple set of good wood carving tools in order to carve. Turning is a central production operation in the manufacture of many metal, plastic and wood parts. Lathes can be either manually operated or computer controlled. Lathes can have many differences, unique features and accessories to facilitate a wide range of jobs. Wood lathes are often the simplest lathe types. As the name suggests, it is designed for turning wood. Wood lathes are small machines consisting of a bed, headstock, tailstock and tool rest. Unlike with what is found on a metal working machine, there are no precision ways such as cutting tools are moved by hand and not by machine power. A steady hand and good skill is needed to control the cutting tool to accurately turn smooth curves and complex contours on the workpiece. The spindle is driven by a belt connected to a motor, and the speed deviations or differentiations are made by manually moving the belt to one of the many pulleys mounted on the back of the spindle. Lathe tools are held by hand against the work with the support of the tool rest. The tool rest is adjustable and is clamped to the bed at a position that best suits the operation at hand. There are some fundamental reasons why people invest in a best wood lathe, and they are related to productivity. That standard woodwork lathe can possible to make anything, and you can have better profitability in regards to your woodwork, and it gives you the consistency of unexhaustive work. You can make anything with it, starting from toothpick, bowls, candle holders, and like. The sky is the limit. The accuracy that you can reach is something that no chisel can provide you. You can modify chiseling according to your projects, and it gives a fine finish provided you realize what tool works best for that, and this means you should use a separating tool. Safety is an absolute necessity when working with wood lathe. As a rule, you must follow a procedure that ensures you keep things safe. Make little amendments to defend yourself when working with the wood lathe. Here are a couple of steps that you can develop to maintain the situation. Get into the habit of inspecting the machine on a regular basis before starting your work. Make sure that the settings and fittings are all secured. The most important thing is keeping the workstation and area clean. You have to guarantee that it is. The quality of the wood to be used is another aspect that you need to consider to play a significant part to maintain safety. Keep the device sharp so it cuts through smoothly, and make sure that the working area is lighted well, and this should not be ignored at all because you need to see clearly while working with the wood lathe. Avoid wearing free-fitted clothes, and jewelry like chains are best kept at bay, as they can easily interrupt with your wood turning machine. Practice safety while working with woodworking tools in general. Woodworking with the best wood lathe is no special case. Ensure that you wear all protective gear, and most importantly, keep your eyes protected. Besides that, keep pets and children off your workstation while working or even at rest. This standard will keep your family and pets safe forever, because no one likes to play around with the safety of their family. This will guarantee safety for all and turn your woodwork into an enjoyable experience. As we have said previously, there are several projects you can make by wood turning or wood carving. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting wood turning and carving project ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.